सर सर ड्रोन का परमिशन है?
ड्रोन का परमिशन? कैसा परमिशन? फिर से परमिशन?
प्रॉब्लम क्या है भैया? सॉल्यूशन तो है मेरे पास.
क्या सॉल्यूशन है?
Just watch.
Hello and welcome to our channel dronehelpline.com. I am Shrestha and I am here to share an important announcement regarding the latest update of drone and pilot registration by DGCA, and in this video we will be showing an entire step-by-step procedure of this registration. I hope you all know about DGCA. DGCA is an Indian governmental regulatory body which works under the Ministry of Civil Aviation, which lays down the rules and regulations for civil and drone industry. On August 27, 2018, DGCA took a decision of implementing certain drone rules and regulations in India, where they introduced no permission, no takeoff (NPNT) concept in the drone industry for the first time. But this concept of NPNT did not come much into effect till they launched the Digital Sky platform on December 1, 2018, where the drone owners can register themselves along with their drones to seek permission. So to make the Digital Sky platform more prominent, the Ministry of Civil Aviation made an announcement on January 13 regarding the one-time opportunity for the voluntary disclosure of all the drone owners, which has already been started from January 14 and is valid till January 31st, 2020. They said that all the drone operators and also the startups are required to get registered. Kindly note that all the unmanned aerial vehicles, I repeat, all the unmanned aerial vehicles are required to get enlisted, irrespective of any foreign or national brands like DJI, IdeaForge, Asteria, Autel, Parrot, and also your own customized drones. But make sure those drone operators who fail to register themselves and their drones will face a strict action under the Indian Penal Code and also the Aircraft Act. So it is very much mandatory for each and every drone owners to get themselves registered. There are two types of drone registration process. One is the OAN and the other is the DAN. The OAN is a one-time ownership acknowledgement number which a drone owner will receive in a form of OTP. Using this OTP, he can register his multiple number of drones one at a time, for which he will receive the DAN number for each and every drone. Remember, DGCA does not charge any fee for registration, so it is a free registration process for every drone owners. To minimize your time and make your work a little bit easier, we will be explaining you a step-by-step procedure, but make sure you are readily available with all the documents before you sit for the registration process, because in the Digital Sky platform there is no save and fill letter option and your registration process will take hardly 20 minutes. Documents you will require are: number 1, your passport's first and last page or your Aadhaar card's front or back view in one sheet. Number 2, 3 high quality pictures of your drone, front view, top view and a close-up view of the manufacturer's serial number. Each drone should have a physical measuring scale placed adjacent to the drone so that it gives an appropriate approximation of its dimension. Number 3, copy of any utility bill, electricity, water, gas, fixed line telephone or mobile phone, or you can use your bank statement, which should not be more than 3 months. But remember, if you use your bank statement, do not forget to strike out the financial details of your bank statement. Number 4, copy of the highest educational qualification. This is only required for the individual owners. Number 5, PAN card of the organization. This is not required for the individual owners. Number 6, letter on the official letterhead certifying an appointment for the authorized signatory. This is not required for the individual owners. To start your registration process, visit the link digitalsky.dgca.government.in. This link is given in our description box below.
From Google, type Digital Sky. Click on the Digital Sky option. In a new tab, the Digital Sky web link will open. Click on the Drone Enlistment option. Before you start, please go through the given guidelines carefully. Remember, if you already have an OAN, you do not need to do the registration for the second, but if you don't have, click on the Enlist My Drone option. In this page, fill in all the necessary details like your name, email, mobile number, password. Then click on Generate OTP. Give the OTP. Then click on Enroll. Go back to home. Check your email. You will receive a verification link. Click on the link. Now select your profile if you are individual or a company. Select a profile to continue. Give your full name, nationality, email ID, date of birth, Aadhaar card. Upload the file of your Aadhaar card, the first and the back page. Give your current address. Select state. Now upload the file of your current address or utility bill like electricity, gas. Give your highest educational qualification. Upload the file. Give a full name of your alternate contact person, may it be anyone. Now click on submit. You will receive your OAN in your email ID. Go back to the main page with the same procedure for the DNA registration. Click Digital Sky, the Digital Sky page will open. Click on Go to Drone Enlistment site. Now click on Sign In. Give your email address and password. Click on Sign In. Click on Enlist New Drone option. Now give the name of the manufacturer, model name, year of manufacturer, serial number provided by manufacturer, serial number of flight control module. Remember, the serial number of flight control module and the manufacturer number is the same. Now give the type of drone, give wing type, give the month and year of purchase. You will get your DAN in your email directly. For any further clarification or additional information in this regard may be sought from Digital Sky Help Desk at support-digisky@government.in. According to the notice, the OAN and DAN is not required for all those educational based drones where camera is not there or model aircrafts, as it is excluded from the drone aviation rules.
Our main motto is to help the entire drone industry grow more responsible. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel so that every drone operator who is still unknown about these rules and regulations gets to know and get its registration done quickly. If you are having any queries, please do leave a comment so that our experts can help you out.